Hey everyone, so here is this dating app which is called Coffee Meets Bagel. So let's try to install it on iPhone. Just tap cat and then confirm with a Touch ID or Face ID. And then there you have it. It should start installation. So yeah, it's a bit different to Tinder or Bumble. So if you're looking to alternative to those apps, it can be a nice alternative. I never used this app, but let's just explore it together and let's see how it works. So yeah, let's try to create an account first. Let's see like what is the process. There are different, I tried a lot of dating apps and there are like just different ways. Some apps are literally asking you dozens of questions to make your profile like more deeper and that you can have like better matches. And then, okay, I will just like link my Apple ID because yeah, it's the fast way to create an account. So there you have it. And then let's go through the questions. Okay, so and the feature of Coffee Meets Bagel, as far as I understand, is that's the app for like more long-term relationships opposed to Tinder. So you just answer the standard questions, then you enter your location. I'm not sure if the app is available worldwide. Then you need to upload photos. You can also skip it for now. Let's just skip it. It's like, what's your height? So you can enable that. Okay, so and then they tell me what's meet your first bagel. What's a bagel? That's a potential match. And there you have it. Now you have this profile, and then let's see what happened. Now you can like someone, or just keep someone. So that's how it looks like. That's the app. Then you can access to premium and all of that. So that was just the process how to create an account. I'll probably create another video, just the full overview of the app after trying out all the features and using it. But anyways, there you have it.